So, here are the supplies. Oil, oil filter wrench, 10mm socket, flashlight, and a Sharpie. The Sharpie is so you can write the date and mileage on the label on the oil filter. So, with the car on ramp so we can get under it, let's take a look. So GM has actually made this pretty easy for us. The oil filter is right there on the front, and the drain plug is right there. So I think I'm going to position the drain pan and whip those off. This old filter off. Yummy. It's actually kind of a nice design. It's gonna drain gas or oil. Yuck. Whenever the engine does run in this, I try to let it go until it gets up to temperature. I don't let it just short cycle. I figure that hopefully keeps the oil a little bit less fuel diluted. All right. Yep, you had it out?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. Put a little bit of oil on the seal and wipe my hand so that I don't get oil on my label. Okay, that's that. One thing I was sure of is that the seal came off of the old filter. That's something you always have to be careful of with these canister, or I guess that's a can, I don't know, however you describe it. That's on there tight. Ah, shoot, that's what I didn't want to do. I should have used a 6-point. Okay, well, let me try not to block the camera. Oh, there's an O-ring on this. Well, I'll reuse it this time. Next time it will need to be replaced. I don't think I've got one this size. Actually, maybe I do. Here, I can show you. Here's a rubber O-ring. It's not totally flat yet. It'll be okay to reuse once. I notice I'm getting what looks like a transmission oil leak. Just have the dealer look at that. Look at my sockets. All right, that's good enough. Newton-meters is not extremely tight, so we'll just give her a nice little snug. Okay, that's it for under here. So up here, and we just need to add oil. I'll have to see if I can find a funnel. I don't trust myself to pour that accurately. All right, so I've added the oil. Let's see where we are. Of course, the neighbor's going to start with a leaf blower. It's at the top of the dipstick, which makes sense. The oil filter is not full of oil yet, so we'll go ahead and start it and see what we get. Now, one thing to bear in mind with the Volt and ELR is anytime you turn on the ignition with your foot on the brake and the hood is open, the engine is going to start. So just be careful of that if you're doing maintenance, that you don't start the engine inadvertently. All right, so push the button. No oil warning light. I don't know if this even has one. No, just coolant temperature. Well, anyway, that's enough. Check for leaks. Cool. It's right there, right at the top of full. So in the 5-liter jug, I've got maybe one liter left. Cool.
And we're back on.
One other thing we want to do, yes, I know the hood is open, is reset the oil life. Push and hold. There we go.